Good afternoon. Here we go with the HRM presentation, and the topic is draft and advertisement of creative head for automobile sector. The content of the presentations are creative head, job description or creative head, job specification of creative head or advertisement. Creative head. A creative head is a position often found with the graphic design, film, advertisement, media, entertain industry. It may be useful with the other creative organizations such as web development and software development firm as well. It can be seen as another element in any other product development process. The creative head may also assume the art director roles, copywriter, lead designer, etc. The job description of creative head. Job title is creative head. Job location Mumbai. Job summary: creative head to lead our company's creative department and will work closely with the marketing department. The successful candidate must possess excellent leadership quality with the ability and knowledge to maximize the talent of their team and should be dedicated.
So, good afternoon to one and all. This is Ayushi. I'm going to give a presentation on the topic duties and responsibilities. So, here I'll start. Duties and responsibilities. Produce promotional material by developing basic presentation and design layout and copywriting. Develop marketing strategies by examining client observation, objectives, planning, scheduling and completing design and production requirement for the direct material, telemarketing and advertisement. Monitors, revise and improves marketing plan and quality results by studying creative process, analyzes campaign results and implementation necessary changes. D. Creates production scheduling by conferring with heads of art, copywriting and production departments. Develops marketing strategies by examining clients' objectives and planning, scheduling and completing design. Updates knowledge by participating in educational opportunities, reading professional publications, maintaining personal networks and participating in professional organization. So next I'll start with the salaries and incentives. Salary will be provided as per the laws and incentive will be based on the.
I am Karima Lakhotia. Job specification of creative head. Education and qualification for appointing creative head. Post-graduation in art, graphic design and marketing. Certification in the relevant field. Experience minimum 3-4 years of experience as a creative head. Background in Keynote, Google Tools, PowerPoint and Adobe Creative Tools, Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, Premiere and Animate. Keynote means presentation application software which is used by operating system Mac OS. Google Tools means Gmail, Hangout and many more. Quality. Analytical skills should be better. Communication and presentation skills. Client relationship, decision making, digital and graphic design skills, interpersonal skills, teamwork, mental nature such as general intelligence, memory, judgment, foresight, ability to concentrate.
Good afternoon, I am Charu Rungta. So here is the final advertisement of the creative head for the automobile sector. The company name we have taken is XYZ company. Job position is creative head. First of all, introduction has been given about the company. That company is well established and a renowned company. It's a multinational company with 16 offices abroad. The company is highly known for its product and working style. Next is the job description. Here it's mentioned that we are looking for a talented and motivated creative head for the company's creative department. He will work closely with the graphic design and the marketing team. He should have a sound knowledge about the softwares which are used in creativity. Leadership skills should be there, excellent command should be there. Then is the roles and responsibilities. He should develop the marketing strategies keeping in mind all the needs of the clients and what's the current business trend. He has to coordinate with the production and with the marketing department. He has to produce promotional materials by developing basic presentation approaches and designings and copywriting. Next is the education and experience. postgraduate in graphics, art, marketing or journalism, minimum experience of 5 years in the relevant domain, post-graduation with minimum 55% or equivalent aggregate marks. Now comes the salary. Salary is mentioned as per the labor law and lucrative incentives based upon the performance. Soft requirements: applicants should have at least character certificate including both males and females. Applicants should not be suffering from any communicable or non-communicable diseases. Now the last step is how a candidate can apply for such position. He has to send a self-attested resume with the recent passport size photograph. For the further information, the candidate can contact to the official website of the company. The decisions will be taken by the higher authorities, keeping in mind all the terms and conditions for selection. Thank you.